Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, giveaways. We have our new beauty test tube box here that we are going to be unboxing and giving away one of the items to one of you. If you are new here, welcome. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of March, it is the Going Coconuts palette from ColourPop. This one is mine, but I do have a brand new one for you. Look in the description box down below under current giveaways, talks about how to enter this one. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel, watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all, and if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings. Want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I do them a lot here on the channel. As far as what is on my eyes today is the ColourPop Lilac You A Lot palette, which kind of looks like that. So the New Beauty test tube is where the editors of New Beauty, they put out this subscription box and it comes out quarterly. It's usually skincare, hair care. Every once in a while they will throw in a makeup item in there, and it's usually all full-size items. And you guys, there's some real, I've found some gems in here before. So let's dive in. I have tried this before. This is so good. So this is the Rodial's Dragon's Blood Eye Gel. You guys, this right here retails for $95. So you guys, you can get this box for $59 every 3 months. So I will say that there's usually a value of over $350. The value of this particular box, because there's a bonus item in here, is $506.99 for your payment of $50-some. It's a really good deal. So this is for the Rodial Dragon's Blood is for puffy, tired eyes are no match for this refreshing cooling gel that hydrates, soothes, and brightens puffy under eyes for a more lively, youthful appearance. From Face Reality is a Hydra Remedy Gel Serum. It does retail for $45. It is safe for any skin type, multifaceted, acne-safe serum. Hydrates and soothes, reduces the appearance of redness and irritation. It supports a healthy skin barrier. With each use, I don't have acne problems. And so I will probably put this one either in today's giveaway or a future one. Guys, from Paul Mitchell is a Tea Tree Special Detox Foaming Salt Scrub. It does retail for $32. Healthy hair starts at the scalp. I truly believe that. A luxurious to the touch as it is healing to the scalp. The scrub is clinically proven to exfoliate and remove dry skin and build up after one use. Sounds pretty good. I do use kind of one of those like scalp, it's a silicone thing that has like, but it's like a hard silicone that you kind of get in there and kind of help remove the buildup, and that really helps my hair because I used to have a big problem with like dandruff and everything from all buildup and everything going on. From Noise is their Discovery Kit. It retails for $22. A must-have for anyone entertaining their fragrance era. The kit includes 4 of the brand's iconic edited perfume sprays: Unmute, Love Club, Lost and Found, and SH blank blank TY Day. It features an array of scent profiles from sweet and woodsy to musky, bright, and citrusy. From Muzigae, I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right, Muzigae, Mansion Object Liquid. It does retail for $20. For lips that wow, look no further than this long-lasting lip tint designed to deliver vibrant color with a weightless feel. It's perfect for those who want bold lips with just a touch of elegance. I've tried this one before, I love it. It is the One Kind Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer. It does retail for $42. This supercharged, fast absorbing, but miraculously non-greasy and non-comedogenic night cream. It feels like a dream while delivering serious skin repairing benefits. I really, really like this one. From EOS is a Shea Butter Cashmere Shave Oil. It does retail for $8.99. The luxuriously silky shave oil is crafted with naturally moisturizing and protective butters to combat bumps and irritation, giving you a cashmere smooth shave and velvety soft skin all over. I just have I have an Olay like shaver razor thing that I love, and so I'll probably put this one in today's giveaway or a future one. The Cleanest Lab Pure Hydration Shampoo or Hydration Daily Mask Plus Conditioner. I got the Daily Mask Plus Conditioner, retails for $42. So the Hydration Daily Mask Conditioner deeply nourishes and enriches the hair from root to end. From Nakari Beauty is a Lift Tox Multi-Power Firming Rich Cream. It does retail for $44. It's designed for the skin of seasoned beauties. The Rich Cream is a powerful anti-aging formula that is clinically proven to lift sagging skin and protect against future fine lines and wrinkles. It also increases hydration for 72 hours, encouraging your most radiant skin yet. You guys, when you put on your moisturizer, don't forget to put some stuff on your hands. I noticed I did a close-up. I had a product that I was taking a picture of, and like my hands, I mean, they don't look bad, but close up, it was like, ooh, these look like 80-year-old hands. I need to start doing something about that. You guys, don't forget about our bonus item. So it is the Neo Curtis Aftercare full size. It's $156 value. It is kind of a post-treatment soothing cream. Yeah. So I mean, there were some amazing things in here. What was your favorite thing that was in here? I think mine was the Dragon's Blood. What was yours? Let me know in the comments down below. So we're right in the middle of all the conference basketball tournaments, so the secret word of the day is tournament. Let's give away that EOS Cashmere Shave Oil. I just know I'm not going to use it, and I'd much rather pass it on to one of you guys. In the description box down below is a Google form. Make sure to fill it out, only fill it out once, and make sure to put on it your YouTube name, so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel. Also put on it that secret word. Now, you only fill out the form once, but you can get bonus entries. And how the bonus entries work is, like I said, you fill out the form once, but you can mark on it if you did do the bonus entry items. Only mark it if you did actually do them, because I don't want to see you guys get disqualified. So your first way is if you follow me on Instagram, that handles BeautyAmaB, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you share it with your family, friends, social media accounts. It really means the world to me when you guys do it, and it helps the channel grow, and I wanted a way to say thank you. Thank you guys so much for doing so. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Let's have the giveaway go through April 4th, midnight Mountain Standard Time. And then sometime after that, I will come on here and we will announce all the giveaway winners for the prior month. And if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, I will take the first name, first initial of the last name off those Google Forms, put this in the computer. The computer spins all the names around, the computer picks. I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell that information. I don't share that information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. So if you like the video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. Let me know how you guys are doing. YouTube will now go ahead and, I am losing my voice. Good thing it's the end of the video. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye. Woo!